Namaste, welcome to our Das Kitchen. Today we are going to make very easy Chinese style Schezwan Soya. For that we need this is soya bean, raw soya bean. We will put in warm water for 30 minutes and then later on we will squeeze it. This is our chopped ginger, so chopped garlic, so onion chop. This is the oil. This is our ketchup, tomato ketchup. This is our red chili paste. And how we'll make this is you can make in your home. For that we have to boil this our red chili, whole red chili, and you will put in a blender and blend it. You will get same like this. This is our red chili. So we will take 2 tablespoons of red chili paste and 2 tablespoons of ketchup, same quantity. Now we are going to make our Schezwan soya. For that we will on our gas here and we will pour oil. After heated the oil, add this is our chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and saute it very nicely, or ginger, garlic and onion. You can see it's sauteed nicely, our ginger, garlic and onion. And we will put next is our chili paste. I tell you before how you make it. You can make your own house only. It's very easy. And we will put our ketchup as well as. Mix it nicely. We'll mix it nicely and cook it until oil will not come out. Just mix it nicely. It's like this. Guys, after a few minutes you can see it's nice, very nice color, and you will get flavor. It's nice flavor. It's ready. So we'll do next step. We'll add a soybean now. This is a soybean. Mix it very nicely. Just mix it nicely with the soybean. Now we will add salt as per the taste and black pepper. Just toast it very nicely. As you can see, our soybean is very nice color. It's look very nice, right? Bitter, yummy. Keep toasting it until color will come brown. Now you can see it's ready. Now we'll finish it up, or spring onion on the top, and we'll mix it nicely. Now you guys just mix it nicely and it's ready to serve. Now you can see it's ready to serve. It's look pretty nice.